Hello, my dears. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a popular Zambian vegetable. It's locally known as Katapa, but it is cassava leaves in English. Let's get into it. To begin, let's go over our ingredients. You will need fresh Katapa leaves, washed and removed from their stalks, 1 small chopped tomato, 1 large chopped bell pepper, 5 cloves of garlic cut in half, some salt to taste, 2 medium-sized onions chopped. I used white and red onions. Start by pounding the leaves in the mortar, locally known as kavende. Add in the onions, continue pounding to incorporate the onions in the leaves. Add in the chopped bell peppers, continue pounding to incorporate them in the katapa leaves as well. Proceed to add in the garlic cloves and continue pounding until they are well combined. When it's all incorporated, it should look like this. In a pot, add in the katapa mixture. Pour some water in the mortar or your kavende and mix it with the katapa mixture residue. Pour that water mixture in the pot with the katapa mixture. Place on a heated stove. And cook it with the pot open. Check on the katapa periodically, testing for your desired softness and ensuring the bitter taste is dissolved. When it's cooked to your desired softness, add in the tomatoes and the onions. It's at this point that you can add in chili. I can't anymore because I have a toddler and I want him to eat his veggies. Also add in your salt. Do not add salt before this point because it will harden your katapa leaves and extend the cooking time. Stir it all up until everything is well incorporated. Add a bit of some vegetable oil. I use vegetable oil as opposed to palm oil, locally known as chinkondia. It's just a preference of mine. Cover the pot and let it simmer on medium heat until the tomatoes and onions are cooked. And there you have it. Our katapa is ready. If you'd like to see more of this content, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. Please give this recipe a try. You and your family would definitely love it. Let me know how it goes in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.